Good morning, children. Yesterday, we have learnt about the different parts of a thermometer. Now, let us learn how to use a thermometer. A clinical thermometer is used to measure temperature of the body. There are two types of scales marked on the clinical thermometer. A Celsius scale starts with 35 degrees and ends at 45 degrees. A Fahrenheit scale starts at 94 degrees and ends at 108 degrees. Normal human body temperature is between 98.6 Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. We can see in this thermometer both Fahrenheit and Celsius scale are marked. Do you know, children, how to measure temperature using thermometer? Let us learn now. Wash the thermometer with an antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly by the end and give it a few jerks. These jerks will bring the level of mercury down. Ensure that it falls below 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Now place the thermometer under your tongue or armpit for 2 minutes. Remove it from your mouth and look at the mercury level. If it is more than 35 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, then we say we have fever. A clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the body, and it cannot be used to measure the temperature of any other thing, especially in labs where temperature of substances with very high or very low temperature are to be measured. So, we use a specially designed thermometer for this purpose. It is a laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is commonly called as lab thermometer. It has a long, narrow glass tube having a bulb containing mercury at the end of the tube. It does not have a kink in it. It ranges from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. It is used in lab for checking boiling point, freezing point or temperature of other substances. We have learned how to use a clinical thermometer. Now, let us learn how to use a lab thermometer. Take some hot water in a beaker. Dip the thermometer in water in such a way that the bulb of the thermometer is immersed in water. Hold the thermometer vertically. Wait till mercury level becomes steady. Now note the temperature without removing thermometer from water. Because of the absence of kink, mercury level starts falling down as soon as it is removed from water. So temperature is measured without removing it from water. We know that a thermometer is made up of glass and has mercury inside it. And mercury is a toxic substance and is very difficult to dispose of if a thermometer breaks. So these days, digital thermometers are available which do not use mercury. They have a digital display which shows temperature within 60 seconds. Have you ever read the weather report of the previous day of a city? In the weather report, maximum and minimum temperature of the place is mentioned. To measure the atmospheric temperature of a place, 6 maximum minimum thermometer is used. It is also called as MMT. We will learn about the working of this thermometer in our next lesson. Let us do the recap of the lesson. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Heat is a form of energy. Heat flows from an object at high temperature to another at lower temperature. Mercury and alcohol are used as thermometer liquids in thermometer. Doctors use a clinical thermometer to measure the human body temperature. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature of objects. With this, we end with the lesson. Thank you.